der, die, das? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the articles in German, the article of Deutsch. Articles are required to refer to a noun which could be a person or place or an object or even an idea. In English language, it is very straightforward. It is the, or an. But in German language, we have three articles: masculine, feminine and neuter. And these articles are classified in bestimmte Artikel und unbestimmte Artikel, definite articles and indefinite articles. In today's video, we are going to learn bestimmte Artikel, definite articles. And this particular video is based on one of the most important chapters in German language. So please pay full attention, or you can even make notes or take screenshots of the important content. For this video, I will have to sideline myself so that I can share a big screen with you because the content is quite a lot. So without wasting any further time, let's just begin. We have three articles in singular category. Singular is singular. Masculine is der, feminine is die, neutrum is das. Neutrum means neuter. In plural, the article is always die. Be it plural of a masculine noun or a feminine noun or a neuter noun, the article in plural will always be die. Now you can see that this plural article and the feminine article is similar, but you will know the difference because the spelling and the context will be different for them. In today's video, we are going to learn singular category. So we have der, die und das. These articles show gender of a noun. Now, does it mean that a particular noun sounds like a masculine noun, so it should have article der, or a particular noun sounds like a feminine noun, so it should have article die? You can implement this logic only few times. Most of the times there are different tips and tricks for that. So we are going to learn those tips and tricks today. Also note that all the nouns in German language have their first letter capital. Always capital. Let's begin with the first article, der. Der is masculine. Männliche Personen und Berufe means manly or masculine person and professions. They generally have masculine article. Zum Beispiel der Vater, father. Der Arzt. Arzt means doctor, but a male doctor. Tag und Monat, day and month. Zum Beispiel der Montag, der Sonntag, der Januar, der Februar, der August and so on. If you all have seen my video on day, month and seasons, then you must have noticed that I mentioned in the title der Tag und der Monat because these are masculine nouns. Tageszeit means time of the day or different times of the day. Zum Beispiel der Morgen, morning, der Tag is day, der Abend, evening. Aber die Nacht, night. Nacht is a feminine noun. If you all have seen my video on greetings, then you must have noticed that I've said Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend und Gute Nacht because the first three nouns are masculine nouns. Jahreszeit, season, zum Beispiel der Winter, der Sommer. Himmelsrichtungen means geographical directions, zum Beispiel der Norden, North, der Osten. East, der Westen is West, der Süden is South. Wetter, weather, zum Beispiel der Schnee, Snow, der Regen, Rain, der Wind. Männliche Tiere. Tiere is animal, means masculine animals. Zum Beispiel der Löwe, Lion, der Hund, Dog. Alkohol, zum Beispiel der Wein, der Sekt. Sekt is Champagne. Aber das Beer. Beer is the most important alcohol in Germany and it has Neutrum article, das Bier. Automarker means car brands. Zum Beispiel der BMW, der Audi, der Skoda. Moving on to further tips. Endungen für der. Endings for there. If nouns end with following endings, then mostly their article is going to be masculine. I say mostly because you will always see exceptions. Die Nomen, die mit ling enden. The nouns that end with ling. Zum Beispiel der Schmetterling, Butterfly, der Frühling, Spring. Die Nomen, die mit Ismus oder us enden. The nouns ending with Ismus or us. Zum Beispiel der Tourismus, der Circus. Tourismus ist Tourism, Circus ist Circus. Aum, zum Beispiel der Baum, Tree. Der Raum, Raum ist Room or Space. Ich und ig, zum Beispiel der Teppich, Carpet, der König, King. Ig in the end is also pronounced as ish. If you all have seen my video on numbers, then you must have noticed that I said 20, 30, 40, 50 because that ig in the end is also pronounced as ish. Ant, zum Beispiel der Elephant, elephant. Der Demonstrant means a protester or a demonstrator. Or zum Beispiel der Direktor, der Motor. Iker, zum Beispiel der Mechaniker means mechanic, der Techniker, technician. Sometimes nouns ending with l, er, n will also have masculine article. Zum Beispiel der Vogel, bird, der Koffer, suitcase, der Kuchen, cake. So, in a nutshell, here are all the tips. You can simply note them down or take a screenshot. Moving on to the next article, die. Die is feminine article. Weibliche Personen und Berufe means feminine persons and professions. Zum Beispiel die Mutter, mother. Die Ärztin, Ärztin is doctor but a female doctor. In masculine category, we learned der Vater, father, der Arzt, a male doctor. Professions in German language are split into masculine and feminine category. And for feminine profession, you will have this extra in in the end. Obstsorte means types of fruits. Zum Beispiel die Erdbeere, Strawberry, die Banane, die Kiwi. Pflanzen und Bäume, Plants and Trees. Zum Beispiel die Tulpe, Tulip, die Rose, die Eiche. Eiche is oak tree. Moving on to further tips. Endungen für die. Endings for die. If nouns have following endings, then mostly the article will be die. I say mostly again because you will always see exceptions. Nomen, die mit ung enden. The nouns that end with ung. Zum Beispiel die Übung. Übung is exercise or practice. Die Zeitung, newspaper. Nomen, die mit Heit und Kite enden. Nouns ending with Heit und Kite. Zum Beispiel die Freiheit, the freedom. Die Süßigkeit means sweet or treat. Schaft, zum Beispiel die Freundschaft, friendship, die Wissenschaft, science. Tät und Ei, zum Beispiel die Universität, University, die Bäckerei, bakery. Ich und Ion, zum Beispiel die Grammatik, Grammar, die Lektion, lesson. Ihr oder zum Beispiel die Biologie. Die Tasche, Tasche means bag. Die Lampe, Lampe is lamp. Whenever a noun ends with a, that is E of English, we pronounce it like a. We do not say die Tasche or die Lampe. It is die Tasche, die Lampe. Uhr, ans, zum Beispiel die Natur, nature. Die Konferenz, conference. Die Toleranz, tolerance. Moving on to next article, das. Nomen aus Verben oder Adjektiven. Nouns that are formed from verbs or adjectives. Zum Beispiel das Essen. Das Essen means food or meal. But essen is also a verb. It means to eat. Zum Beispiel, ich esse die Kiwi. I eat the kiwi. Now, how will you understand the difference between das Essen and the verb essen? Das Essen is a noun and it has article das and its first letter is capital. But the verb essen does not have any article. Das Laufen means the running. Again, laufen is also a verb. It means to run, but it does not have article. Das Gute means the good thing. By now, most of you will know that good is good and it is adjective. Adjective is adjective. Das Gute is a noun from that adjective, means the good thing. Buchstaben, letters, zum Beispiel das A, das B, das C, das D und so weiter and so on. Farben, colors, das Blau, blue, das Rot, red, das Gelb, yellow. Moving on to further tips, Endungen für das, endings for das. If nouns have following endings, then mostly their articles will be das. Again, mostly because there will always be exceptions. Die Nomen, die mit schen und lein enden. The nouns that end with schen und lein. Zum Beispiel das Mädchen, the girl. Das Brötchen means the bun. Das Fräulein means the young lady or miss. You see, das Mädchen means a girl, but it has neutrum article, not a feminine article. Die Nomen, die mit nis und ment enden. Zum Beispiel das Zeugnis means certificate, das Parlament, das Dokument. Tum und zum Beispiel das Eigentum means your property, ownership, belongings. Das Museum. Ma oder o, zum Beispiel das Thema, the theme, das Klima, climate, das Foto, das Auto means the car. Ist, zum Beispiel das Gesicht means face, das Gericht means court and dish. It has two meanings, court and dish. Englische Wörter mit ing. English words which has ing. Zum Beispiel das Training, das Shopping. So guys, here is the long list of the tips to understand the article. The housework, the homework is to write 2 nouns for each article in the comment box. You can refer to the examples that I have shown in this video, but it would be great if you can find out your own nouns and be more creative and leave them in the comment box. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Dankeschön. Tschüss.